This is your water heater pipe. So not only does the sun heat it up, but it heats up on its own. So we put this storm collar on like this, and then the next step for us is to use our counter flashing. Now we've been doing this for a number of years. This is a single wall pipe, so it makes the third layer of pipe on this, and it slides down over this tall collar. Now the important part is to realize you've got to have these parts and you've got to fasten them into place. We're not going to be doing that. These would actually pop rivet all together, so this would be a single unit, and the pipe inside would still be able to move as it heats up and cools down. The final thing is to get a seriously thick, heavy-duty cap that goes on the top. This would go on. This again would be fastened in on a permanent basis, and you end up with water flowing to the outside, never having to rely on caulk.